Here we have the exhaust manifold and turbo from a 2010 Ford Transit Connect. It's come into us because it had no power. Engine was running fine, not noisy or anything, but just no real power. Trying to overtake on dual carriageways, no acceleration. So we had it in, got underneath because it seemed to be a turbo issue, and sure enough, when we looked underneath, I mean, this pin should be on here, and that should connect there, and that's your turbo wastegate control. That's obviously broken off, and what that controls is this valve in here, which is the turbo wastegate. So when the ECU detects that the engine's over boosting because the turbo is building up too much pressure on the inlet, it opens that, releases some of the exhaust pressure, which then slows the turbo down. When it gets down to an inlet boost pressure it's happy with, closes that off again, allows the turbo to work, so that will continually open and close as and when the turbo is either over boosting or running normally. And obviously with this one it's just doing that, so absolutely no turbo boost whatsoever. Strangely enough, it didn't bring up any fault codes of turbo under boost. So what we've got to do is get rid of that. I've already drilled this. I'm going to put a tensile bolt in here. I thought about welding it, but I'm not going to. Stick a tensile bolt in there. The only thing I've got to do is just clean a little bit of this casting off to allow this free movement. Then pack a couple of nuts in there, hold that solid. That will then go on there. A couple of nuts on there to lock it. Obviously giving that a little, just enough free movement. There's nothing under here that's going to foul. So that's going to work absolutely fine, and then I think we'll have a customer who'll realise his van can go a lot better than it has been going. So we'll get that all sorted out and get that back on.